I tried to make super juice for my art project, but now it is a disaster! I did exactly what the book said! Maya! Please tell me that you can fix it!
The glitter isn't broken, Alex. It just has some messy roommates. You just need the secret power of separation. It's called a mixture. It's what happens when you put things together, but they don't actually change into something new. They are just hanging out. Since they are just roommates, we can move them out one by one. Which tool will catch the sand, but let the water fall through? Point to the spoon or the strainer?
Stay still, you sneaky sand! Only 10 billion more to go.
No tweezers needed. We use the different size and shape of the roommates to separate them. The sand is too big to fit through the holes. Give me some super facts, Maya! Fact 1. The ocean is a giant mixture of salt and water. If you boil the water away, the salt stays in the pot. A soapy ocean! Fact 2. Your blood is a mixture. It's made of liquid and cells that can be separated by spinning them really fast. My blood is a ride! Fact 3. Some mixtures are solutions, like lemonade. The sugar mixes so well, it looks like it vanished. Sand and salt and glitter, too, separate the sticky goo. Your mission is to find 3 mixtures in your kitchen today. And if you want to see how to turn a liquid mixture into solid gems, subscribe and watch our Grow Crystals video right here. Stay sticky, explorers!